Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cabbage with clay. We will explore the fascinating process of transforming simple polymer clay into a miniature, lifelike head of cabbage. You will learn essential sculpting techniques, from creating delicate leaf textures to assembling the layers. This project is perfect for adding a unique touch to your miniature scenes or simply enjoying a creative crafting session. Get ready to bring your clay cabbage to life. To start, gather your essential supplies. You will need polymer clay in various shades of green, perhaps a light green and a darker green, along with a small amount of white clay for blending. Ensure you have basic sculpting tools, such as a craft knife for precise cuts and a ball tool for shaping. Begin by conditioning your chosen clay until it is pliable, then form a small, round base, approximately 1 inch in diameter, which will serve as the core of your cabbage. Now, let's focus on creating the individual leaves. Roll out thin sheets of your green clay, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch in thickness. Cut out leaf shapes, varying their sizes slightly for a natural look. Use your ball tool to gently impress vein patterns onto the surface and to create subtle ruffled edges, mimicking real cabbage. Carefully shape each leaf, giving it a slight curve and organic flow, preparing it for assembly. With your leaves sculpted, it is time for assembly. Begin attaching the smallest leaves around the top of your central core, working outwards. Overlap each subsequent layer of leaves slightly, ensuring a full and realistic appearance, just like a real cabbage head. Continue adding layers, gradually increasing the size of the leaves as you move downwards. Once satisfied with your creation, bake your finished clay cabbage according to the specific instructions provided by your polymer clay manufacturer, typically for 20 to 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.